In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to find hidden apps here on your iPhone, okay? Let's say that you do have a specific app that is accidentally hidden by your kid or your children at home, or whether you're searching for a specific app that you know that is hidden on your phone. I'm gonna show you how to find that specific app and get access to that app. But before that, consider subscribing here. It really helps me out. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you with tech-related issues, and I also share a lot of hacks and tutorials. So if you want to get updated to my next video, do not forget to subscribe. Now let's start in here with the very first step. We're gonna scroll to the right all the way to App Library, which is the last page in here on your iPhone device. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to Hidden down here. You do have a specific box which says Hidden. Once you tap on Hidden, it's gonna ask you for your Face ID. It'll try to launch your Face ID. In case you are far, it's gonna ask you for your passcode. Let me quickly type in my passcode. There we go. As soon as you type in your passcode, the hidden apps will show up in here. In my case, it's the Puma app, which is hidden right here. And it even requires my Face ID the second time once I try to launch it, okay? For example, I'm gonna close it, it vanished. I'm gonna tap on it and position my Face ID. There we go, it has appeared. But if I go back and close it, it's not there. And even if I search for the app, I won't be able to find that specific app because it's 100% hidden. Now, how do people hide apps? It's quite easy. All you need to do is just press and hold on that specific app and then tap on require Face ID and then tap on hide and require Face ID. There we go, app has been hidden and it has vanished. You just need to scroll to the left and tap on hidden, position your Face ID, and that specific app will appear in just a few seconds. Now, this is the official way on how you can hide apps in here. Now, according to my experience, I wanted to share with you to be aware of fake apps. We do have a lot of fake apps right now to hide stuff. For example, we do have a lot of apps pretending to be a calculator while in fact it's a photo library, for example. Let me quickly hop into my app store and show it to you. For example, hide calculator. Example, we do have a lot of apps in here such as this one, for example, calculator hide photos and videos. So it's an app that pretty much pretends to be a calculator. You type in a passcode and then it shows up a lot of hidden stuff that you do have on your iPhone device. So I would recommend you guys to double check for strange apps in here that look so basic, like calculator, like a calendar or alarm, stuff like that. A lot of people use these apps to hide information over there. So you also want to double check those apps and you want to check where exactly was that app downloaded from. For example, the author or the publisher of that specific application. You can double check that here within App Store. For example, you can tap here on your photo icon on App Store and then tap on apps in here. You'll double check all apps that you do have installed within My Apps. Let me open up Puma, for example. You'll be able to see the publisher, which is Puma SE. If I open up, for example, this one, you'll be able to see that the publisher is Rodelio Limited. So you want to double check for calculators or stuff like that. Check the publisher to see exactly the information about that specific app. Do that for basic apps that look so basic, like clock, alarm, and stuff like that. Now, another thing, check for the hidden apps and the basic apps as well, because you may also have a basic app which has also been hidden in here. So do not forget to double check hidden apps over there, which is very important to find. Now, another thing people use a lot is hidden photos within Photos Library. This is an official way of hiding photos and videos in here on your iPhone. For example, let me hop into Photos real quick. Let me scroll down here all the way to Utilities down here. So if you give a look at Utilities in here, you can search for hidden photos. But in my case, I'm unable to find hidden photos. But we all do know that photos itself has a specific section for hidden photos, right? For example, let me quickly hide this photo right here. Let me tap on this photo. Let me tap on three dots. Let me tap on hide photo. So I've hidden that photo, but where did that photo go to? I'm unable to find it because I can't see the hidden photos section in here. If you're unable to find it, that's probably because somebody's hiding photos. So you want to tap on Utilities real quick and then you want to search for hidden photos in here. Now, I'm unable to find it in here. That's because it has been well hidden. If you're unable to find it there, just close Photos, open up Settings real quick, and then scroll down all the way to Apps down here, scroll down again all the way to Photos under the letter P. Tap on Photos, next up, scroll down, and you'll be able to see a section which says Show Hidden Photos in here. So you want to toggle this on in here, which is a specific album where people hide photos and people even hide that specific option to get access to it. Like, you don't have even how to access that file. Now, once you've toggled that on, you want to hop into photos, scroll down here, down under utilities, and now you'll be able to see hidden in here. Before we weren't able to see that, but now we are. Tap on hidden real quick, tap on view album, position your face ID, and boom, here is the hidden photo. These are hidden photos in here within my photo library. So another way of hiding stuff, a lot of people usually hide photos and videos. This is what is most hidden here within your iPhone device. People usually have apps hiding photos, videos, even texts. For example, they have a specific text, they can take a screenshot and they can hide it within photos. So double check photos in here, which is also a good source of hidden information, files, and folders. This is how you can actually unveil hidden photos, hidden apps, and also double check the apps in here on your app store. I pretty much have covered all the possible ways or the most common ways of how people hide stuff in here within your iPhone. Anything besides that would be something very uncommon, and I haven't seen in my case with my experience here dealing with iPhone devices on the YouTube channel. So this was it for today, guys. If you find my content useful, if you find my video adding some value here on the platform, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any question or doubt so we can discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.